Okay, we have here a flat cabbage, 4 potatoes, and 1.5 onions, 1 tomato, and 1 can of tomato paste. Tomato, I like calling them tomato, but it's actually tomato paste. Okay, so now we're gonna chop it and boil it. Okay, so we diced everything and we strained the water. And now we're adding tomato paste. Half cup oil. It's not really, it doesn't smell good, but it sure does taste. Look at that! Look at that slimy tomato paste. See if it moves. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of sea salt. 1/4 of teaspoon black pepper. Smush and be gentle. One cup of ground flaxseed. 1 cup of chickpea flour. I think it should be called the Super Mega Deliciousness Patty. Subscribe, put a thumbs up, and don't you dare put a thumbs down. Bye.
Bye.